up, everybody, and welcome to Living with Lisa. If you are new today, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my everyday natural eyebrow tutorial. And if you guys like this video today, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. So the first thing that I do is I moisturize my face and I prime my face, and this is Say Yes to Cotton's facial moisturizer. I know that this is a moisturizer, but it works amazing and really well as a primer. It helps my makeup get spread evenly distributed across my face. And next I will be using Ardel's brow pomade in the color dark brown. I tend to stay away from blacks because it does make my face look kind of harsh. And it does come with an angled brush, which is really beneficial when you're kind of doing the outline of your eyebrow. And that is what I do first. I go through and outline my eyebrow to the shape that I want it to be, and then I start filling it in. Now I'm very mindful as to how much brow pomade I'm actually putting on my eyebrow. I don't want it to look too painted on or too dark because I like it to look like an everyday look and look natural. And I just take my eyebrow brush and I brush that brow pomade throughout my whole eyebrow to make it blend in and smooth out better. And just repeat the same thing on the other eyebrow. Usually when I get my exact eyebrow shape that I like, I take some tweezers and just pluck out those little excess hairs. And I will be using Nars Creamy Concealer in the color Chestnut to conceal my eyebrows. I just take a few dabs and dab that on my hand. Then I take my Ecotools angled brush. Then I start concealing my eyebrows, and the whole purpose of this step is to conceal those excess hairs and to really give it a sharp and neat effect. So all I'm doing is just taking my angled brush and creating the outline of my eyebrows and really like cleaning up any hairs that I see. And I will say this step is one of the most important, if not the most important, because it really controls the shape of your eyebrow. If I wanted to, I could literally take that concealer and make my eyebrows very tiny and small. And I just repeat the same thing on the other side. Now I'm taking the other end of my Ecotools angled brush and I'm using the other end, which is a concealer brush, and I'm going to start blending in that concealer in my face. Now the key to blending when I'm doing my eyebrows is when I'm at the bottom of my eyebrows, I brush down, and then when I'm at the top, I brush up. This prevents me from messing up those sharp lines that I have created from when I went through with my angled brush. Then I just take like a little sponge and kind of blend it out some more. And these are what my eyebrows look like after I'm done filling them in and concealing. And the next thing I'm going to do is go through with my foundation and bring a little color back into my face. And I will be using Fenty Beauty in the shade 390. And honestly, my shade changes all the time throughout the year because my skin tone changes throughout the year. Right now, I have more of a golden warm undertone, and I have a neutral undertone in the wintertime. And I really have to be careful about how much I put on my face because if I put too much, I tend to look really orange. So I just put a few dabs. And honestly, my hands get the job done for the most part. And of course, I make sure I wash them and that they're clean. But I do go through with a beauty blender to really get it blended out well. I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward my cat eye part. I'll probably do another video on that another day, But I wanted to stop and show you guys my highlight routine because I do put some highlight on my brow bone. And I use Becca's liquid highlighter in the color Topaz. And this truly is my favorite highlighter because I really feel like it gives off a natural glow. I put highlighter on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and my brow bone. Then I make sure I blend that out so that it really looks even in my skin and just natural. I am using my Wish highlighter brush. Y'all, and look how beautiful and natural this highlight is. Like, it really doesn't look really cakey. It just looks so shiny and glowy. And here is what my eyebrows look like. As you can see, they look natural, not too dark, and it has a little glow to it.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in this tutorial. If you guys like this video that you see today, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time on Living